I'm intending to leave it for 3 days to pass. The 3 days and start holding it. The garden cutting it. You can see. You can see. Nobody to the complain. Yes. When the garden go eat, so when I start today, working hard. See, coming to start the all of my again. Go stay here. You see, grab by fresh. At least before tomorrow, the other one is gonna be finishing. At least we got enough food for the pea. Yeah. All the prayer. You start brushing it down. You can see, start brushing it on the side. And we will plant corn. What we will plant here. Start brushing it so all the way. See the place. We need to brush everything to go. Yeah. So that the place has been clear. My phone girl, the one he sent it to me, you can play. I finished sending Adibo Gary. I want to talk to him to play. Somebody will be sitting and start playing. Okay. Now you can see the water tank. That means you can see the pantry. And the pantry, the sun will pass there, the fan will pass there. So but the fan will pass. So yes, all the way to the water tank over there. You see here. I play here. Can here. See the play. See the water tank. People coming. And I think so for this small dwelling because they play already playing for the sunny. And see the land for the play all the way. So you can see the play. Until you have to play the fence coming back. We get enough space. You get enough space to the bee horse to count down to the pineapple. I think the pineapple will be also because you already plant something there. Yes, you can see the pineapple land. We will take from for the fence. You get enough space inside the play all the way to go in. So you can see. You can see the pineapple and the land are walking on it straight. You see. If say you want again the pineapple to leave the fence, I know you can see the water all the way. See the water. Yes. Behind the see the pantry. Behind the pantry. And the play the fence will pass there. Going to the water tank. Sweet. See the play. You can see. Yes. You can see. See that. You see. Walking so get enough space. You see. You can see the water coming on the bee horse running. See the idea of here. And see the water coming. They getting the water there, the bee there. See the water running all the way. You can see the play.
This is the harvesting of the grass. What I love about the grass is very quick in growing. It's just the grass the main harvest day before yesterday. You can see how everything is coming back up. So uh what I want to do when the ladies finish on the swamp so they can come here because the man is cutting are trying to cut the stump in between so the ladies can come and hook. So they can do the first hooking for us. And then when they hook it now, like this, we're not allowed to get bushy again. we'll be using the machine now to harvest it. Then we'll be using our grass cutting machine now to be cutting inside it. So for now, they can do the first hooking to take all the soft grass from the ground. Then next time when the grass grow, we're not allowed to get bushy like we were before. So it can soft for us. Then we'll be able to be cleaning inside the machine. So for now, from here, I would like the ladies to come to hook for the beginning part of the grass all the way to head to the kitchen, to head to the kitchen, to hook all the way to the kitchen. They will hook up side the rafter tree, hook side here, here going all the way to the way. We can hook the entire side to reach up to the grass because that grass is still clean yet. And then we're not playing no plants on the side, we're playing also of the grass, apart from the swamp side. The whole upper side from the left going all the way up to hit the other grass. Any plants that the people put there will root them up and transfer it to the swamp. And then do replanting rainy season with our grass to the remaining space. So it can be okay. So this is how far the men have gone with the harvesting. So this stump will be removed. We'll cut around it, and then take it off. So this is a very hard work, especially to be taking all of the stump off. To be taking all the stump off from there. From here, yes, the team will be going up in front of the warehouse. In front of the warehouse, there where the team will go. So as the brushing, our own team on the farm will, as they working, our own team will start the brushing from side the pig pen. We start our brushing. Our brushing will lay on the other side. So we brush on that side and then we'll hold the entire side. So the whole land will be clean from this side. You'll not see any grass, different grass apart from our grass that are growing, our laughter grasses. And it will be in a portable size because we're not allowed to overgrow. So it can be very fine when in a portable size. So this one, we have here this one, the first grass that we have here in the bag there. This is it. And see how far it going now. So we'll start harvesting it to our well. Oh gosh. This is the first grass that we harvest. You see how it's growing up. It's growing very fast. And this is the grass that we feed our rabbit with every day. As we cut it 2-3 days, it grow again. You see? This is the mark for this morning. And 3 days from now, if I do video this will be bushy just like this. So as we cutting it growing, growing. Since we start cutting the rabbit food, I think we not move from here. They 3 line. 1, 2, 3. We move from here. We just going, coming. Yeah, so our team will start the brushing from this side. Brush to go all the way to MP1, MP2 to that level. We hit all the way down to the swamp. Then the old lady, the women will hold from here all the way to a head. They'll pop for the kitchen. They go ahead to the swamp there, the pantry. Let's just say the pantry. If we're having to cut it, we'll brush it. And then we'll hold it, reach all the way there. So if we're going to do the whole, we'll do a portion. Then we tell them when we'll be able to pay them. So the whole side will be very clean, and then the cleaning up will go all over will be fresh. So, and then our grass will not move from in our level good. It will be in a very good level where everything will be fine. When you see it, you admire it. Where no grass, no nothing will be around it. It will only be by itself, breeze blowing it. So this is it. The grass can really grow fast. I'm so happy now we get grass to call our own. Few months from now, we start selling seeds to farmers. So tomorrow they will start the harvesting as well. Let me try to close. These are the grass. We are harvesting. Going to harvest the one and go. We grind them up for our pigs. So the whole thing will go all the way over there. Okay, the whole thing will go all the way down to the swamp there. And then the cleaning up will go all the way even to the beginning part of the road. The beginning part of the road, Tuesday we'll be putting fire inside so it can get clean as well, so we can start planting in the same next week by the grace of God. Tuesday we'll put fire, we clean the area up for the planting.